Bonafide Hustler here, and we're gonna go thrifting today. I have no idea what I'm gonna find, but let's go to some stores and check things out. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship, and today we're gonna go thrifting. Probably like 5 or maybe 6 thrift stores. I gotta mask it up too because, you know, CO to the VID is in town and it super sucks, but I'm gonna see what I can find today. I want you guys to come with me. Should be a lot of fun. And don't forget to get the free guide right here. If you want to learn how to do this with your spare time and make some really good money, you got to get this guide. You can also follow me at the Bonafide Hustler on Instagram. So let's get to the very first thrift store and see what we find today. All right, the first store is this Goodwill right here. We're in the central part of Austin, Texas, and this one borders a really nice, rich neighborhood. So maybe I'll find something cool in here. It's gonna be hard to talk through the mask, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through there, take the camera in with me, and maybe we find something, maybe we don't, but if I don't, or if I get the feeling that I'm not finding anything, I'm out of here as fast as I can. Okay, I didn't find anything at that Goodwill, but I'm at another Goodwill. Got this Strider bike right here. It's probably sell between 30 and about 50 bucks locally. And this was $6. Little bucks, the bucks never hurt anybody. Oh. Okay, I think the spaceship's gonna get maxed out. Found this cool steering wheel. Gonna go to the antique booth. Looks like a leather wrap steering wheel, $4. Could be a GT Grant, could not be, I don't know. But this is gonna go in my booth for sure. Got these 2 cool chairs. They're 20 bucks a piece. I'll walk out. I have a 10% off coupon, so I'll get these out the door for 20 bucks each. That's gonna go in my booth for around, I don't know, 70 bucks each, something like that. You know, pretty nice looking. Let's look at the back of these. Not too bad. And the back of the other one's not in the greatest condition, but it's not the worst. And they're still functioning chairs, so I'm definitely gonna get those things and put them in the booth today. Bought those 2 chairs. Spaceship's getting pretty full. I'm not happy with it, but it's money, you know, whatever. Had to put all my mountain biking gear up to the front here as bin. But see if we can find some more things to fill up this spaceship. Don't know. Already starting to peel off tags and stuff off these items. I'll be listing them today. But yeah, these 2 chairs should be gone and out of this car within like 30 minutes or so. Kind of close to the booth, so definitely gonna do the drop off today. All right, found myself a Texas thrift store. Just purchased this thing for 10 bucks. Hartman garment rolling luggage bag. Pretty awesome. Nylon, ballistic nylon with the leather accents. Everything works well. Definitely buy probably about a 1 to 150 on eBay. Pretty cool. Next thrift store, Hope thrift store right here. Might be able to find something unknown. This one is kind of a high price thrift store, but you just never know, you know, it's so close to that other one. This could be my last thrift store of the day. I'm not 100% sure. We'll see. I donated a couple things to Savers. Got a cool 20% off coupon, so I might hit the Savers up by my house, but I do have to go to the booth and drop these chairs off because, yeah, there's just like no room in my car. So if I find something at the Hope thrift store, I'll show you. All right, so I did find something there. 30 bucks, a Guide 10 Adventure Kit. This is a Goal Zero Guide 10 Adventure Kit, which is basically a solar panel plus the battery pack plus a Rockout MP3 speaker. This thing is new. They even have a tag back here saying how much it would sell for. This does sell for around 100 to about 114 on eBay. It's brand new. Box is a little tattered, but it's not a huge deal. Don't know if I'm gonna keep it. It was 30 bucks. It's awesome. Can charge a phone in like 1 hour as well with that solar panel. So it's a fold out solar panel. I don't know, should I keep it or should I sell it? Comment down below. It's the only thing I'm gonna ask you to comment on in this video. Comment down below. Pretty cool things that I'm finding today at these thrift stores. So I think that's my last one. Maybe I'll go to one more Savers. I'm not 100% sure. If you do like these videos, make sure you hit the like button because that's really important too. I don't ask for that very much. But yeah, let's see where the rest of the day takes me. I gotta get this stuff out of this car. But nevertheless, a pretty good thrift day. It's a Wednesday here in Austin, Texas. I think I'll try to edit this video today, but we'll see. I hope all is well in your hometown, that you're able to thrift a little bit, even with a mask on or something like that. Garage sales were actually surprisingly really good last weekend, even though I only saw like 3 or 4 of them. I found some cool things, and hopefully if I can keep this video rolling, maybe I can show you a couple when I get home. We'll see. Okay, I'm here at the booth. Oops, forgot my mask. Gotta get it, hold on. Got my tags written up right here. Got the steering wheel. So basically what I do is I go into the mall, open the back door, get the chairs out or the stools out, and put them in the booth. So here's the steering wheel, tags, and see how the booth is doing. There's a lot of stuff in the booth right now. It's chocked full for fall, so that's great. Hey, how's it going? No, doing all right. So yeah, if you're ever in Austin Antique Mall, you look at booth 199, that's mine. I've had this booth for a very long time now. It's a pretty big waiting list for this mall to get a good space. Like it's really hard to get one now. So yeah. There's my booth. So yeah, here's the booth. This was a really cool pickup from last weekend from garage sales. This was 20 bucks. I have it listed for basically 200. It's a kind of like a wall thing with a mirror in it. Check it out. And there's a mirror behind the scenes. But yeah, so there's that. I'm gonna drop off the steering wheel and then get those 2 chairs in here. Booth looking pretty strong. Got all kinds of cool belt buckles. Just look, it's like a rocket launcher looking box. Got some cool windows. Got that thing that I picked up from way long time ago vlog, like I don't know, a month ago. Cool stuff in this booth for sure. All right, just like that, the 2 stools are in here. They look good. And yeah, booth looking strong. So, see you later, booth. A lot of fun. Hope things sell. Actually, everything. Actually, every day something sells there, so that's good. Could be small as like a trucker hat. Could be as big as a chair, set of lockers, things like that. So. All right, so I'm back at the casa. A couple notable things from last weekend that's kind of cool. I already sold one of the bikes I found last weekend. Sold in one day, but there's another bike that I found off of next door for free. This Schwinn Admiral, probably worth anywhere between $100 and $200. Free bike, Nextdoor app. Guys, get on the Nextdoor app, seriously. All right, what else? Something cool, notable find from last weekend I thought was really neat. Went to a little garage sale, a bunch of boots lined up. There probably were, 10 sets of boots lined up. I asked the price of these. The guy looked at it, he's like, Fry, that's a really good brand. So he was like, how about, 3 boots for 50 bucks? So I bought 3 boots, not too bad. This will probably go to my antique booth. Got some Red Wing Pecos in there. But these are Fry. I don't know the actual model, but they're size 11. Awesome looking boot. And basically 17 bucks for those. And they should sell for over 100 bucks all day on eBay. So notable find from last weekend. The bike that I wanted to show you has sold yesterday in less than a day. Picked that up directly after going to garage sales. That bike was 70 bucks, sold it for 200. So yeah, lots of good things going on here. Should be making more videos soon, hopefully. If you guys barrage me with comments to make more videos, I will do it. I will, or I'll run live shows or something like that. So let me know what you guys want down below. I thought today was a pretty good day. What did you think? Make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.